Hi guys, so today on my channel, we are going to be doing this amazing unicorn kind of spooky look, and I'm pretty sure this is like my favorite look so far, and if it is yours, please like or subscribe if you like what you see already, and keep following along with me. Enjoy! Let's get started, you guys. We're gonna start with these. Liquid latex. Far away, you got me standing in the open. It's like I'm just talking to myself. Far away, you got me standing in the open. You got me standing in the open. I swore that I would get to you someday. Oh, it's like the horn is covered in cloud. That's cute. So I want to reinforce this with some cotton and latex to make sure it goes nowhere. Cause we ain't trying to have a loose horn. Alright, so I just blow dried? I just dried the horn. Mainly concentrated on the back of the horn to make sure it was very steady, and if I tilted my head forward, it wouldn't go anywhere. I did make this with Crayola self-hardening clay. It was like $5 at like Walmart, and I just molded it and let it dry and then covered it with Mod Podge. A lot of you had questions on how I created the horns on one of my first looks, so that's pretty basic. It is a little heavier instead of using like a foam mold or anything like that, but it's just was easiest for me because I have no like type of effects experience when creating foam molds or anything like that, so this is definitely my way of doing it. Start by painting over the rest of the horn and making it a little more seamless with my skin. And this is just some pretty basic water activated paint, pink, and we're going to start on the edges this, and very circular motions to kind of brush it out. Make it a little more intense, like that. And then we're gonna go in with a light blue. And this is, I definitely want to keep the color concentrated. Brush, like a blush brush, we're gonna bring in the pink down into our cheeks, down this way. That way we have that more like elongated face. I might go in a little bit more intense with the pink actually, and then we'll introduce some purple like that. Ooh, I like that. I like it like that. Fabio, his name is Fabio. Some purple right here, kind of blend them in. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, 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 blend. Well, I went off camera because I was realizing that this was not as steady as I wanted to. Make sure you add a lot of more layers. Anyway, let's get back to this blush. So I want to kind of taper this out so it's a little more. I want to get this very neutral, very light color on the eyelid. Can't even tell it's there. And this will be a really good base. More orangey color. And I want to kind of bring it in here as well. Like this. Like this. And from this orange, we're going to go into a purple, a fuchsia purple. And we're going to bring it out here too. You blend it in, blend it in, blend it in. Blend, 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 blend. You got a problem, blend. And you go in and blend. Ooh. It's okay, we blend. And this same color, I want to kind of bring it right here where the nose is. Perfection. My eyebrows, and I want to do them colorful. So we're going to start with, even though I said colorful, we're going to start with black. And we're going to feather out like this. So they kind of look natural on the ends. And I'm going to do a gradient going in. So done with the black, going with like a purple. Like that. I like that. I like that. Looking like a rainbow. I'm gonna finish up this eye. And then we will add the final details. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it down here. Go, go, go. And then I'm here, and then here I go down, like kind of towards the middle already. And then connect this with the wing. I killed myself. If only. Hades had an evil plan. He ran the underworld. He was us. That's the gospel truth. He had a plan to change things up. And that's the gospel truth. Rest my soul. Herc is on a roll. No, wait, how does it start? Will you listen to him? You're making it sound like some Greek tragedy. Yeah, lighten up, dude. We'll take it from here, darling. You girls. We are the muses, goddesses of the arts, and proclaimers of heroes. Heroes like Hercules. Honey, you mean Huncules. I'd like to make some sweet. Our story starts many eons ago. And the world was down on its luck. And gigantic brutes named Titans ran amok. It was a nasty place. It was a mess wherever you stepped. Tornadoes, volcanoes never slept. And then along came Zeus. He hurled his thunderbolts. Locked those suckers in a boat. And in his tracks. And that's the gospel truth. That don't obey. You must relax. Zeus saved the world while still in his youth. Now it may seem impossible, but that's the gospel truth. Something. Oh my god, I can't remember it. I used to know all the words. More mascara on the side. We're gonna add some lashes. Ooh, my foot fell asleep. That's weird. I don't like this feeling. Okay. Ooh. I feel the little ants. Carry on, as if nothing really mattered. Too late, my time has come. Send shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time. Oh my god, I can't put an eyelash on to save my life. Oh no. Oh, it's a... God damn! How you like that, bullies? Didn't believe in me. Look at me now. Look at me now. There she goes. There she goes again. Hey. I don't know why it's that song, but that's the song. I'm looking like I'm drunk, but I wanna fly away. Ooh, girl. Ooh, I love this. Ooh, now we're gonna add diamonds. Yes, girl, diamonds. We're adding some diamonds. Woohoo! We're gonna start with this big one. I think I want to start with one right here. Is that weird? I don't care. It's my video. Ooh, these are so pretty. I'm gonna look like a disco ball. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so shiny. It makes me so happy on my insides. I tingle. I'm like an alien unicorn. Ooh, girl. It's a little off, but you know what? Nobody's perfect. Oh, this is so pretty. Imagine my name was Becky. Oh, what would my unicorn name be? Florinda. No. What would my unicorn name be? Florinda. I don't know. I keep saying that. What would my unicorn name be?
Florinda.
Hi, my name is Florinda. My name's Florinda. You, my horn pierced the sky. You think I'm good? No, I can't rhyme. Maria, Maria, Roca, Shabuya, Shabu. Is that how it goes? I forgot. I haven't seen The Office in so long. Who does watch The Office? Mikey. Just saying. Mikey! Oh my lords, I love these! Oh, so nice. Whoever created these crystal things, thank you. And whoever created math, I hate you. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, I have latex on my finger. What do I do? What do I do? Let's try these. I like these. I think I'm gonna put these under and make them look like little tears, like a unicorn that's been in the pen and kind of, you know, she's been through some shit. Ooh, mafiosa, dude. Oh, I can put little ones in my inner corner. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Oh, this is fun. Why do I always have these? I should just always wear this. I have glitter, guys. It's like the sticky kind, not like the powdery kind, because who does that? You know that shit gets everywhere, then you never get it off. This has like a little adhesive, so it dries. Where am I gonna put this? Okay, I can just put it here. Oh! Oh my god. Oh. I want to shower in this. Am I allowed? I'm allowed. This is my video. We're gonna do that. Hold on to your testicles, everybody. Lemon head. I don't know what that says because it's a cursive and that girl got messy writing in her logo. Who cares? This is great. You got a problem? Put glitter. Broke up with your boyfriend? Put glitter. He broke up with you? Glitter. You sinned today? Glitter. Oh, honey. Who is playing these games? Who told you? Who? Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my. More. I can't. Oh, it's like highlight on crack. This is amazing. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Why did I not remember that I had this? I love this. Oh my. I'm just gonna add more rhinestones. Rhinestones? Rhinestones. Rhinestones? Rhinestones. That's what I meant to say. Are you laughing at me? You're laughing at me?
This is fine.
Everything is fine. No, I can't do that. Mikey does that. It's okay, Mikey. I'll let you have that meme. It's a good meme.
But am I gonna?
But am I gonna? Subscribe to PewDiePie. He's against the battle against T-Series. Don't ask me how I know this, but I'm in the loop. Fluff T-Series. F these people. I will spike them with my horn, and I will use my unicorn magic to help PewDiePie. So go subscribe to PewDiePie. And that is my community service for today. Anyway, back to the glitter. This is amazing. Oh, so nice. Okay, I need to get lipstick on. Lipstick. Lipstick. I don't know what color. I don't really have a lot of lipsticks. If anybody wants to send me lipsticks, cool. That's really house. Mira qué bonito. Oh la la. Let's just go for it. Yes. Then to finish it off, I'm gonna use a highlighter. How you felt it go in there? Yeah, I got most of it off. Okay. Okay, guys. Oh, that's sexy. That's real sexy. Why am I licking the paper? That was weird. To tie this together with, I'm just gonna come back just covered in glitter. That's what's gonna happen because I just got carried away. I'm gonna go finish off. Ooh, hold on. I need to finish my neck.
Your neck?
My neck. Damn, that was really badly said. My neck. Doesn't look so hoarse. I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll be right back. And then we're gonna finish off this look. And I'm really excited. Oh my God, this looks so good. All right, you guys, so I did my hair off camera and I popped in some contacts. And I know you probably thought, why didn't you keep it cute with like just your brown eyes? Because this is Halloween, and like I said, I do have a bit of a stigma with trying to just be cute for Halloween. I definitely like the creepy aspect, but this is definitely what we have going on, a little Ariana Grande moment with this high half ponytail. I really love this look. Hope you guys really like this video and me going crazy over glitter. I didn't think I was a glitter person, but this confirms it. I also can't see anything. It looks really blurry. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think. I really care, and I really do appreciate it when you guys come and visit. It means a lot, and thank you for following me on Instagram. Some of you have trickled your way there, and it really means a lot that you guys do. Thanks again for watching. Love ya, and I hope you guys had an amazing, happy Halloween.